Is your BMW key fob refusing to lock your car? Let's troubleshoot. First, it's likely a simple issue. The most common cause is a dead or weak battery. BMW key fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. Replace it and see if that fixes the problem. If not, the fob may have lost synchronization with your car. If replacing the battery did not work, let's move on to resynchronizing the key fob. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, resynchronize the key fob with your BMW. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the lock-unlock button on the fob while pressing the start button. Repeat for all fobs. Still no luck? The problem might be the door actuator, an electric motor inside the door. Press the lock button on the fob near the door. If you don't hear a click, the actuator might be faulty. Check the actuator's fuse, typically 10 to 15/8, and replace if blown. If problems persist, professional help from a BMW service center may be required.